In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off Google Autofill. Start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then click on All Services, select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and finally blue switcher next to Use Autofill with Google. So when I click my switcher and all of those features turned gray, that means that Autofill is off, so to turn it back on, hit the same switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!